Hey guys, in a world that is full of grooming and skincare products, people forget that the food you eat plays a huge role on the way your body looks, on your overall health, but that includes your skin as well. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the best 7 foods for your skin. Coming up.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hey, just very quick, if it's your first time here on my channel, I'm Daniel and welcome to DLM Model Lifestyle. Please subscribe and also click that notification bell so you won't miss any of the next videos. Now, let's not waste any more time. Let's start with the first food item. Healthy nuts, especially walnuts. Why? Because they have more omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids than most other nuts, which amp up your collagen, which improves your skin's elasticity. Walnuts also contain essential fats, zinc, vitamin E, vitamin C, selenium, and protein that your skin needs to stay healthy. Tomatoes. I actually love tomatoes, especially with whole wheat bread and eggs. But why is tomatoes good for your skin? Well, it's interesting that tomatoes actually helps you to protect your skin against the damage of the sun. How? Well, tomatoes contain a lot of antioxidants like lycopene and all the major carotenoids, which protect your skin from sun damage and wrinkles. They also have a good amount of vitamin C. Fatty fish like salmon and also sardines, which is a cheaper option. They're very good because they contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which helps your skin to be more moisturized and also protects it against inflammation. They also contain protein, zinc, and vitamin E, which makes fatty fish a superfood for your skin. Broccoli. Now, broccoli is amazing. It's one of the best vegetables out there that you can eat for your overall health, but it is also great for your skin. It has a good source of minerals, vitamins, and also carotenoids that is great for your skin's health. But it also has sulforaphane, which is awesome because it can protect your skin against skin cancer and sunburn. Green tea. Now, you probably already know by now how healthy green tea really is for you, but it is also healthy for your skin. Green tea is very high in antioxidants, like EGCG, which reduces redness. The antioxidants can also protect your skin against sun damage, improve hydration, and also elasticity. Avocados. Avocados is one of my most favorite things to eat. It's just very, very sad that they are so expensive in most of the countries in the world. But avocados penetrate cells at the deepest level and contain high amounts of healthy fat, vitamins A, C, D, and E, which your skin needs to stay healthy. There's a reason why they use avocados in skin masks all over the world, is because it really is so good for your skin. Sweet potatoes. Now, sweet potatoes carry a high amount of beta-carotene, which is a pro-vitamin A that works like a natural sunblock, which protects your skin against sun damage. And beta-carotene can also be found in carrots, oranges, and spinach. Now just remember, healthy skin and good-looking skin takes commitment, not a miracle. The decision is yours. What kind of food you eat and how you take care of your skin, that is your decision. Now if you want more tips on healthy, good-looking skin, check out one of these videos. It's gonna help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!